Hello, this is Tracy Hellickson working with Western's Academic Excellence and Development Division to share information about how to fit multiple buttons into the standard Blackboard course shell. While we know that the new standard course shell is grounded in input from Western students and instructors, and while we know that the standard course shell will greatly support student success, one of the challenges during this time of transition may be transferring a course with several buttons into the standard course shell format. This video offers tips for how to accomplish this task. The main factor to consider when choosing how to integrate multiple buttons into a standard course shell is that in the standard shell, the Assignments button is the student's one-stop shop for any work that must be completed or submitted for the course. The idea is that no matter what course a student is enrolled in, if the course uses Blackboard, the student can be confident that if something is due, he or she can find it in the Assignments section of the course. If you're unsure of where to move something, the bottom line is this. If the item you're moving involves work that a student must complete for the course, the student should be able to access or link to that item directly from the Assignments section of Blackboard. Let's take a look at an example. In this course with several buttons, students are expected to watch a PowerPoint presentation, read about a case study, and complete a discussion board in week 1. Currently, the students would click on 3 different buttons to access each of these items. Now, let's take a look at how multiple items like this might transfer over into a standard Blackboard course shell. First, note that in this shell, under Assignments, the units are divided into weeks. You might do the same thing, or you might choose to divide your course into units or projects. In any case, including dates is often helpful, so students know which folder to access when they go to the assignment section. Next, note that discussion boards and other items are all included within the weekly folder. If I want students to complete a discussion board assignment, I can link to the discussion board by clicking on Tools, then Discussion Board, and posting the discussion. From the Tools option, I can also link to other resources in Blackboard, such as journals, blogs, wikis, groups, and other items. I can also add tests or assignments by clicking on the Assessments option, or I can add videos or files by clicking on the Build Content option. Finally, remember that you can add up to 2 custom buttons if you have certain items, such as an e-textbook or a discussion board, that you'd like students to be able to link to directly from the course menu. Just be sure to remind students of that requirement in the assignment section as well. Remember, the assignment section of the course should include, mention, or link to all activities that students are required to complete for the course. For information about how to copy or import items from a previous course into a new course, please see the separate videos on these topics. We hope this information is helpful. Imagine how much students will benefit from these clear and consistent expectations across Blackboard classes.